Hello everyone, this is Simon at Alastair.Capital, and today's purpose just to show you or remind you to those who are using the signals how to use the signals and how to place orders using the signals. The system is very simple. I made it very simple, not complicated. As you can see over here on the Excel, you have the date of the update of the signal, you have the instrument, you have the side of the trade, buy or sell, entry, take profit, and stop loss, and the notes. Sometimes it's written either it's close or cancel or so on. Now over here I'm marking everything in a different colors for simplicity. So if it's green, that means it was closed at the take profit. If it's red, closed with the loss. Yellow, trade is still open, and blue, the signals was cancelled. Okay, so now I'll explain how to physically place an order and how to follow up with it. So let's say we had the signal on the 5th of June of Euro USD. Okay, and it's very simple. It was a sell order. The chart's right here. I'm sorry, there was a Euro Australian dollar, right? It was a sell signal. Okay, and it was below the previous day. So one that wanted to use the signal to implement it, it's a very simple way of doing it. You open the order. We're talking about MT4. Most of you are using MT4. If not, on your own platforms, you have to find a way of doing it. It's not the market execution. You will set up a pending order. In this case, it was a sell order. Okay, the sell stop order in this case, because we were looking to sell below the market, and we placed at the price level. The price level was 151.30, and the take profit would be 1.5, and the stop loss would be 1.52. Okay, everything in place, and you would place an order. Now it will not let us do it now because the market is below. It says invalid. Okay, but the idea is very simple. Okay, now the next one was for today, which was gold. So let's take a look. How would we do with the gold? Bring the gold chart right here. Okay, it was a buy order at the top of yesterday's high, and in this case we would go either from the instrument panel or from here, new order. This is another way of doing it. So you can right click on the chart, go to trading, and then choose new order, or there's a shortcut, as you can see, F9. You can do that as well. The window opens, you put the size, make sure you put the correct size based on the equity you have, and the same thing, we're putting a pending order here. Now it depends. Sometimes you might want to get in the market. Let's say if you got the signal, or you decided to place a trade and you open the chart and the price is already in that level, so you wouldn't put a pending order. You would just do the market execution and go ahead with it. Okay, in this case there was a market. You put, sorry, it was a pending order. You would put the price. You just pay attention. The entry price is 12.84. 12.84. The take profit, that would be the buy stop in this case, 12.84. The take profit was put 12.92, and the stop loss 12.77, and then you go and place an order. Okay, it wouldn't let us do. Now, as you can see, the notes area, both of them were marked in green. That means the trade was closed in the profit. There were nice two trades. But let's say, just for the sake of example, we're going to try to see let's say Aussie Canadian dollar. So let's say I create a signal today, which is for tomorrow, 6/7/17. Let's put AUD CAD sell order, just for an example. Okay, don't take it as a signal, I'm just doing it for educational purposes. So I want to sell it at 101.40, for instance, 101.40. okay, and I want to take profit at 1,040, and I want to have a stop at 101.80, let's say 101.80. okay, this would be a pending order. Let's say if this would be a real signal, would be posted when the session changes, which 5 a.m. New York time. I think it's 11 p.m. European time. Wherever you are in the world, you can adjust to that. So let's say I want to place an order now. Let's say now it's 6 a.m. in New York and so on, and I'm placing an order. So I just want to give you the example of that. Okay, so I go new order and make sure again the right size on the account. I just leave it as it is. One lot. We put a pending order, and in this case I'm putting a sell limit price. Okay, because I'm trying to sell above the current market price, and I'm placing it here 101.40. okay, and I put a stop loss 101.8, and my take profit is 100.40. okay, now over here you can put actually expiration. If you don't check this, your order will be hanging there until it's getting filled. Okay, or if it's not getting filled, it's still gonna be pending order there. You can set up expiration date and time if you want. Okay, in this case we will not do it, so we're going to place an order now. Let's see. Okay, 101.40, the sell limit. Stop loss 101.80, 100.40. Okay, let's place it on 50. Okay, don't know why it doesn't let me do it. That's very interesting. Okay, but you got an idea. Okay, so again, we're getting just to repeat, very simple. You have the instrument, you have buy, sell order, you have entry, which is the price of the trade you want to get in. You have a take profit level, and you have stop loss level. Now, these are the daily signals. So every day at the switch of the session, I will be updating them. Okay, so there are a few things. Let's say if these are the pending orders, there will be either the following day, there will be either closed, opened and closed within take profit or stop loss. They could still be open if they reached the trigger or the entry level. They will be open unless they reach either take profit or stop loss. And if they did open, they will be adjusted as far as the stop loss and the take profit level. If the trade is not relevant anymore, they will be cancelled and replaced by another one. So just follow the signals, place the orders correctly, make sure you put the correct size and the correct levels, and if you have any questions, you let us know. All the best. Take care.